Work on the big 62 is going well. I've got 5 minutes to spare, which is uncanny because that's exactly how long it's going to take me to fit a brand new throttle controller to the big girl. This right here is the new evcX from Ultimate 9. I've been waiting for this one because it's got a couple of features that I am frothing on. I reckon throttle controllers are the perfect way to help make your four-wheel drive more drivable by taking away some of that annoying throttle lag. It's easy to install. I just need to unplug the throttle here, then install the wiring for the controller in line, then run this cable up to where I want to have it sitting on the dash. And I reckon I'll put mine here because not only does it look great, but it's easy to get to. There we go. Well, I reckon that took me all of 5 minutes to fit, actually less than 5 minutes. Look, I am super keen to get the big 62 out in the bush, but we've got a fair bit more work to do until I can do that. I can, however, take this for a quick run and test it out, folks. I really suggest you check out the new evcX range of throttle controllers from Ultimate 9. To do so, head to their website, ultimate9.co.